Hey Beautyistic fam, welcome back. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for that perfect pop of color to elevate your lip game, then today's review is one you don't want to miss. We're talking about Fenty Beauty's Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick in the shade Tang Thang. Now, if you love a glossy high shine finish but want something that feels lightweight and breathable, then stick around as we break this down. Fenty Beauty is known for shaking up the beauty world, and their Slip Shine collection is no exception. This lipstick comes in a sleek stick form and is designed to deliver a creamy, semi-sheer finish that is both shiny and comfortable. The shade Tang Thang is a vibrant coral with just the right amount of warmth to make your lips stand out without feeling too bold or overpowering. Now, let's talk about the texture. When I first applied this, I was pleasantly surprised by how smooth and creamy it felt. It's not sticky or heavy at all, which is a big win for those who are used to traditional glosses that tend to get a bit tacky. The sheer formula gives you that glossy finish, but with a lighter, more hydrated feel. Perfect for those who want to add a touch of color without going full-on matte. In terms of longevity, I found that it lasted a couple of hours before needing a touch-up, especially after eating or drinking. Since it's not a full coverage lipstick, you can expect it to wear off gradually, leaving behind a soft, natural tint. This is great for a no-fuss, everyday look, but not ideal if you're looking for something that stays put all day. As for the pros and cons, pros: super comfortable wear, no dryness or stickiness. Beautiful shiny finish that doesn't feel heavy. Easy to apply, no lip liner required. Great shade for those who love warm-toned, sheer lipsticks. Cons: doesn't have the best staying power. The sheer formula may not be for those who want full opacity in a lipstick. Now let's talk about whether this is worth your hard-earned cash. The price point for Fenty Beauty's Slip Shine lipstick isn't the lowest in the market, but it's certainly not the highest either. You're paying for quality, and for that, I do think it's worth the price. The formula feels luxurious, and you get that coveted Rihanna-approved lip glow, which is always a bonus. If you're someone who loves a sheer lipstick with a glossy finish, then this one's a good pick. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of alternatives, if you're on a budget but still want that glossy finish, there are some options out there from brands like Maybelline and NYX that offer similar formulas at a more affordable price. While they may not have the exact same luxurious feel, they do give you that hydrating, shiny look. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is sleek and simple, just like we've come to expect from Fenty Beauty. It's sturdy and easy to carry around in your bag. The lipstick glides on smoothly, and the packaging itself doesn't feel flimsy, which adds to the overall experience. To wrap it up, Fenty Beauty's Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick in Tang Thang is a beautiful product that delivers on its promise of sheer, shiny color. If you're after something lightweight, hydrating, and effortlessly chic, this is a great choice. Just be aware that it won't last all day, but if you don't mind reapplying, it's a winner in my book. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.